Lubricating a Speedcube makes it feel smoother, change its feel and speed, and overall, just make it more fun to turn. Lubing a cube is pretty easy. The first thing to decide is what you want your cube to feel like. Some cubes are naturally crazy fast and hard to keep control of when you're solving. For this, we'd recommend weight 4 or weight 5 Speedcube lube, which is a thicker and heavier lube that slows down the cube to a manageable speed. On the other hand, you might feel that you want to turn faster but the cube's too slow and is slowing you down. Weights 1 and 2 are thinner lubes that will speed up your cube, so we'd recommend picking that up. You can get all of these silicone lubes from our store. Start by turning a layer 45 degrees and carefully popping out an edge. Drop some lube onto these tracks of the piece and a little bit on the piece itself too. Keep in mind, if you're using weight 5 or weight 4, these are thicker, so be less generous as too much can easily make your cube feel way too slow. Pop the piece back and start turning every layer to break in this new lube. Just doing 4 or 5 solves should do the trick. If you want to add more lube, feel free to repeat these steps. If your cube has springs and makes this annoying noise, you can take the extra step of fully unscrewing and lubing the springs of the core with heavy weight 5 to get rid of it, but this is totally an optional step and you don't have to do it. And that's all there is. Enjoy the new feel of your cube.